Hi everybody, I'm back. So hi everybody, it's Marcella Jaquette and I'm coming back at you guys with another Social Butterfly Saturday video. Look both ways before you cross my mind, and shout out to the conversation because you guys know I have a lot of it. So I'm finally back. Yay! I want to start out by shouting out all of my subscribers. Shout out to all my old subscribers for hanging in there and like checking on your girl and looking out for me. And shout out to my new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing even though I haven't put up a video in a while. I'm back and I'm here to stay. So basically you guys, I've been gone because life happens, and I just been kind of dealing with that. I've been working, and I've been working at 3 different jobs, and they all are so cohesive and they're all together because they all deal with like foster care and social work and stuff like that. So my first job is with the Center for Family and Community Engagement, and basically what I do there is train social workers so that they can better their practice when they're working with youth in foster care as well as their families. Second job is I work with Say So. It stands for Strong Able Youth Speaking Out, and it's a youth advocacy board, and basically I just serve as a mentor for those young people in foster care, because for those of you who have been on my channel and you kind of know a little bit about me, I was in the foster care system, so I give back through this organization. My third job is working with the Division of Health and Human Services. Yes, I know, a mouthful. But basically what I'm doing there is working on a project called Project Broadcast. And this project is basically to inform the state of North Carolina about trauma and how that can affect a young person's behavior. So you may have a young person in foster care that gets suspended for like cussing the teacher out. And basically, after the young person cusses the teacher out, they're in detention or out of school suspension or suspended or whatever. Basically, people are just dealing with the behaviors as opposed to the trauma, and understanding the trauma and then dealing with that young person based on the understanding of the trauma that they're going through. So we're just kind of like trying to spread the word and like be proactive about letting people that work with young people in foster care know that it's not always the behaviors as much as it is the trauma that these youth have experienced. So that was all a mouthful, but I worked those 3 jobs, and so that's been taking up a lot of my time. Other than that, I have to be completely honest with you guys and let you guys know that I got into a relationship, and I'm looking around because I got so consumed with this relationship, and it went bad really quickly, and you know, it was almost like a tornado, and I got whirled up in it, and you know, it just took me for a loop. So I couldn't put as much time into my YouTube as I really wanted to, and it really bothered me because you guys are all I could think about. I really caught myself in such a bind. But I will say this, if you guys want me to go in depth about kind of like that story and like my little breakup situation and all that, give me a thumbs up or let me know in the comment sections below. I am not shy to let people know like what I went through, because honestly it's life, and you know, my story could be your story and we could just help each other out and feel good and move forward. So kind of that's where I am now, but I'm so glad to be back, you guys. So glad to be back. I want to let you guys know that I'm also coming out with some more hair videos and some makeup videos. And let me tell you something, for those of you who have been following me on my Instagram, have seen me do so many different things with my hair, and I was planning on growing it back. I was planning on growing it back, you guys. I ended up deciding not to because I wanted to start all over and do what I just did again, but for you guys, so you guys can kind of see my journey, and like if you guys want to tag on and be a part of that journey, you guys absolutely can. But I want to show you guys all of that because I know a lot of people come to my channel for my hair, so I'm gonna show you guys every single thing I've done with my hair. You guys are gonna see in my Social Butterfly videos different hairstyles too, so ask about them. They're coming soon. Makeup videos as well, and then I am also going to do a Q&A. I'm gonna grab all the questions that you guys had while I was out in relationship land. I'm gonna get all of those, and then I'm gonna compile them, and I'm gonna have a question and answer video for you guys. So put your questions down below, and I will add that to the video as like with all the other questions that I have from other people. If you have other questions, let me know. If you guys have any other video requests, please let me know. I am back in YouTube world, and I'm happy to be here, and I'm just ready to just dive in and like give you guys videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, see you next time.